Greetings from Las Vegas. I am on the floor again. Seems like I keep coming back to this. I don't have a lift. I'll probably never have a lift because I'm sharing half the garage with my wife. So this is a short, really short video of installing a side stand additional foot extension stand, something like that, whatever. It's the little thing that you put at the end of your kickstand so that you have more coverage, a bigger spot on your kickstand, so when you're on loose dirt and stuff, it's got a little bit better footing. There's all kinds of different brands you can get for this stuff. Triumph has their own, which is totally fine. I got mine's from Givi, Givi. I also have a luggage rack that I'm going to be installing from them later. Good, it's an Italian company, good quality stuff. I'm pretty sure Givi makes the OEM brand, Triumph branded luggage for them as well. So good stuff. So I was ordering the luggage rack and noticed they had this also available. So I got both at the same time. And all you do is you take the 4 screws, and these are Torx, I think it's T25, something like that. And remove them, line this little bad boy up. Probably best to do this with 2 people, but I'm not, so if I tip the bike over, then I guess that's one more thing for the maintenance guys to look at when I take it in for my first service tomorrow. There we go, no big deal. Get it lined up. So it looks like these are going to be, because I mean that's in there. It looks like these are going to be bent up as you tighten it down, because the angle on those is leaving a big gap, so these tabs are gonna, okay. Put these in lightly. Or loosely, whatever you, hold on loosely. So who liked last season's theme song for Peacemaker more than this season's? I know they had a whole point to it, I think, but anyway, I always listened all the way through to the intro on last season, but this season it was a little, I think I was skipping the intro. Do you really want to taste it? Come on, how good is that? See, are we making contact with the threads over here? Yes, we are. So then we just tighten it up, and it's going to be really tight. And I think we're good to go. All right, snug all the way around. Oops, except for this one. And that's it. It's on there. You know what? Let me put the camera on the tripod for a second, and I will put the kickstand up. Make sure we can get a good view of it so we can see, yeah, rear tire. Yeah, that's the one we need. If I can actually get off the floor. Oh, man. And let's see how it looks with this kickstand up. I'm going to do it slowly just in case. Oh, yeah, perfect. Plenty of clearance. So, not a problem if you just put it up quickly, bring it back down. Very nice. So that is the Givi Kickstand Extender for the Triumph Scrambler 1200 X, XE, XC, like I was saying on a previous video, triple X, I don't know, all the different X's for these things. That's it. So we're done with this one. That was more of a, do you like the way it looks? It's a reasonably good price on that. It's less expensive than the OEM one from Triumph, and it's still that good Italian manufacturing. So if you like it, I'll have a link to where I bought it. I bought it from a company called Motocard, which is a European reseller. I think it's almost like a Cycle Gear or a Revzilla in Europe. And then you can also get it direct from Givi. I think there's US resellers that are selling this stuff too, if you don't want to have to wait for international shipping. So that's it. So if this was useful for you or helpful, please do the like and subscribe thing. And until the next video, drive carefully and come back soon.